Hi everyone, this is Irma with my note cards, and today I'm going to show you how I turned my felt fibers into paper. Now what you're seeing right now is a sample. The first thing that you need is the paper bag from inside your cereal box. That's the best paper to work with. And here are my fibers. Now, these fibers are felt fibers that I got at a fair where they were felting wool and making all sorts of yarn. This felting fiber is something that you can get at Michael's, and I'm going to show you in a second how it's packaged. All right, it's packaged like this, and you have to really pull it apart into very thin strands. And I do apologize for doing this with one hand. I wasn't able to find my phone stand. But anyway, so here I am with the paper. I start off with a ample amount of Mod Podge. Now you want a lot, but you don't want to overdo it. All right, and then with a brush, you're going to paint the Mod Podge on first. So here you're going to see me do that. All right, there we go. And I'm spreading it throughout in a nice thin, but not too thick or not too thin amount. And I've stretched and I've taken a piece of my fiber and I'm going to paste it, glue it onto my cereal box paper. Now let me add that the cereal box paper has been scotch taped to a cardboard. All right, and I'm going to take some more, pull it apart. This time I'm going to use another color, and I'm going to pat it down onto the Mod Podge. Now I'm going to coat it, put some Mod Podge over the fiber, okay? And you kind of tap it, make sure that it covers your fibers. All right. There are lots of videos on YouTube that do a better job of explaining. All right. So you might want to look at a few YouTube videos as well. Now I'm having a bit of trouble here. And again, I usually do this with both hands. But I'm holding the camera with one, so that's the issue that I'm having. But when this is all done, it's going to wind up being, it's not going to be even. You're going to be able to see through some parts of it, and some parts will be thick, some parts will be thin, but that's the beauty of it. Now, when it's all dried, you should be able to pick it up the way I picked it up at that previous video that I had posted here, if you remember. Now with this is one that I made the other day. My only mistake with this one was that I didn't use the paper, the cereal box paper, but I used by mistake wax paper, and the fiber actually glued on to the paper, so I wasn't able to lift it up the way I will be able to lift it up from the cereal box paper. But that's okay, because I can still use this. I can cut it, I can do whatever. So it's not wasted. All right, so here I believe I'm ready to put on